Hello everyone and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, today we are going to play with this wooden cutting die that I had shown you guys from my unboxing at Globleland. I am doing a collaboration with them. I will have all the information in the description box along with a discount coupon code. Alright guys, so this one is the leather bow knot earring cutting die DIY SD0001-55M. And this one is the one with the blue case, guys. I think I had told you that they may have different ones with just the wooden case. So I'm pretty sure that the blue cases are the thicker ones that we can use on our machine. I don't think we can use the other ones. So I did cut out some faux leather, and I believe it's the plate, the leather, or the faux leather, the die, and then another plate. So I'm going to cut two at a time here. I'm pretty sure it's going to go through. I'm almost tempted to try three of them. You know what, guys? I'm going to do it. I'm going to try three of them. I don't know if it's going to work, but we're going to give it a try, I'll tell you that. Okay, so there's my die, and there is enough material to cover all of it. So again, plate, material, die, and plate. Okay, and I'm going to run this through my machine. Let's hope that I didn't get those the faux leather crooked on there, so that hopefully it cuts all the way. So I am going to let me move this out of the way. I have it there because we're going to use my hot glue gun, and I don't want to get glue on my surface. Okay, so here we go. Oh, I can hear it cutting. So I am going to run it back through and see what a layer of 3 does. And it looks like it cut through, guys. That's one. So, there's always going to be those little strands that kind of, stay connected. But okay, so 3 didn't cut exactly all the way through, so I'm gonna have to. This one did, actually. This one almost did all the way through. So I would say that it's safe. I would say I could cut 2 of them at the same time. This piece right here was a little it didn't go all the way through, so I'll just cut that one by hand. But here's the other one, and that one just honestly just came through. And then this one, here we go, guys. Okay, so you can run 2 pieces of faux leather through there safely. And here we go. There's the other one. Now let me run the last one through here and see what one piece of leather does. I keep saying leather, guys. It's faux leather. And again, I could hear it cutting. And there's that one. There's that one. And here is, again, you're always going to have those little pieces, of material left behind, because that's what bonds everything. And there we go. Oh my gosh, I like that. I'm going to cut that one. There we go. There we go, guys. It went through. They go through nicely if you do 1 or 2 layers. I don't think that I will try 3 layers. Let me see if I can get you down a little bit more and bring this up. So this is a cool little die to have, guys. Oh, that is so cool. I like it. I really do, because I like it for the smaller projects that we want to use the faux leather bows on, but we don't, because typically the dies for faux leather are quite a bit larger. And but I like this one because it will, you know, cut nicely and fit nicely on our smaller projects. Okay. All right, there we go. Okay, what I'm going to do is see if there are any little stringies on here that need to be cut off. And I'll do it on the back side, because we don't need you know, those straggly little strings on here. And I get those little strings even with the other dies. This one, not so much, because the back is different on this one. It doesn't have so many of those woven threads on there. So some of them are going to be better than others as far as material goes. And I think, I mean, you can cut a wide variety of materials with these dies, because they're so, you know, they're so durable, they're so, you know, heavy duty. Like this one has nothing that I need to cut off. This one does. And again, as you can see, I'm just cutting off the little, you know, threads, the woven threads that are on here. And that was it, guys. Okay, so let's put these together. The first thing I'm going to do is put the bow part, the tops, together. And grab my glue gun. So I am going to use glue on these because they're quicker, and you can certainly, I'm sure you can use your art glitter glue, your Barely Arts glue, whichever glue is your preference. I'm sure you can use it. It just takes a little bit longer to hold down and make sure it adheres. So here's that one. I wonder where I'm going to put this one with that one, I think. And then this one's the one of the ones with the woven back. Oh, this is a pretty silver. I hope I'm in frame, guys. I'm trying out a new holder. I'm forever trying out new holders. That one. And I am playing with the new glue gun, guys. I think I shared with you guys that Millie had sent me some Happy Mail. And in that Happy Mail, she sent me a gift card from Michael's. And I had been needing to replace my glue gun because it was taking just so long to heat up. And with her gift card that she gave me, I went ahead and got the cordless one, and I really like it. I really do. So Millie, if you're watching, thank you so much. I do appreciate that. All right, so I think I'm going to go this route. Okay, see how quick that is? And that's 4 bows, guys. I'm going to put a little bit of, just a tiny strip of glue, and I'm going to glue down this part so that it doesn't move when I'm trying to wrap the middle part around the bow. Okay, so once you get to this point, your loop here at the bottom, it goes around the back and around the front, and then you glue the back part to finish off your bow. So I am going to just put a little bit of glue right there and glue that down, hold it for a second, and just like that, our bow is made. How cute are these, guys? These are so adorable. I just love those. Oh yes, I can finally get a faux leather bow on a smaller project. Okay, here's that one. It went on a little bit crooked. Okay, again, you're gonna swing it to the back, loop it to the front, and then glue on the back. And if your bow, your loops, if they're lined up, you're straight on the front as well. Okay, so I'm gonna line these up right here, and it should be straight on the front as well. Hold it there for a second. And here is the next bow. How fast, guys. So I guess this is going to be a very short tutorial because it is so quick to make these bows. And you know, if you do 2 pieces of faux leather at the same time, you only have to cut twice for 4 bows. Just love that. Okay, a little glue on the back here, and then hold it down, and there we go. How cute! Oh my gosh, I love these little bows. Guys, I hope you stop by and check this out, see if it's something that you'd like to pick up. And don't forget, you do have a discount code in the description box so that you can save yourself 10%. And you know, as of today, what is today? I don't remember what today is, guys, but I will tell you that they were having a big sale. So I'm guessing that if you you shop their sale and then use my coupon code that's at the bottom, you can save quite a bit. So I would say they might be having a year. I don't know if it's a year end, but they are having a sale. I'm pretty sure I saw that because I checked the website before I came on, and I'm pretty sure that I saw them. It said something about a sale. All right, guys, let me show you the 4 bows that we have made. And I haven't sped anything up. I'm not gonna cut anything out. I may edit, but it's not gonna be to cut anything out. That's how quick it was, guys, to make these bows. Oh my gosh, that is fast. Okay, so you can put your bows, I mean, they're so small, you can put them on your smaller projects. I am working on something right now. I am making some hidden paperclip something tags. I don't remember the exact name, but here's one of them. And how this works, I really have not embellished this one, but this one you put between your pages, of course, and your paper clip is hidden. So look at that, guys. How cute. Let me move that. How cute on your projects, guys. How adorable. They're small enough and they are faux leather. I just love that. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for coming along, and hopefully you will be able to go and check out Globleland. Again, I'll have everything in the description box. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.